Bumble Bumble editorial stylist Sabrina Michaels is going to create full waves on Talita using thickening full-form mousse and thickening cream contour. Talita has fine hair with a wavy texture. Sabrina uses prep. She mists prep throughout the hair, roots to ends. Full-form mousse will help Sabrina to start building volume. She dispenses a large dollop in her hand and works it into the roots. Talita has long hair, so Sabrina adds more mousse to make sure she reaches the middle and the ends. Sabrina combs through the hair to evenly distribute the products. Hand drying helps remove moisture and build volume. Sabrina lifts the roots with her hands as she works to start creating the shape for the style, moving the hair from side to side in an upward motion. When the hair is mostly dry, Sabrina sections out the top. Working in the top section from the crown forward, she'll use hot rollers. She applies spray to mode as she works so the hair will remember its shape. She places hot rollers at the sides, rolling them downward toward the face. Sabrina sprays the completed roller set with spray to mode. After the rollers have cooled, Sabrina removes them and loosens the curls with her fingers. Next, she uses a flat brush to soften and shape the silhouette. Sabrina takes a small amount of cream contour into her hands, working it into a sheer paste. She uses her hands to create definition and dimension for a lived-in look. She uses more cream contour to detail the look without deflating it. The products we use to create these full waves are Prep, a nutrient-rich detangler that helps enhance the performance of styling products. Thickening full-form mousse, a cream mousse that lifts, sculpts, and holds full shapes. Thickening cream contour, a lightweight, pliable shaping cream that adds definition.